And welcome to the IP-NINJAR overview video, where we will take a look at the various features and benefits of IDK's 10G AV over IP solution. There are four main tabs that give users access to these various features. They include Status, Control, Setup, and Maintenance. This segment will focus on how to set up and configure the NJR T01 transmitter and NJR R01 receiver units. After logging into the NJR CTB control box, click on Setup in the upper right corner. If Setup does not appear, check with your system administrator to see if you have been given access to this feature. Once on the Setup page, you will find all of the transmitter and receiver units registered on the network. Click on any tile to begin setup and configuration for that specific node. As shown here, we have user-definable space to write in the device name, manufacturer's name, and model and serial number. Once saved, this can be used to help maintain the assets on the system, also make it easier to select sources giving them a more common, familiar name, such as Blu-ray player or PC. Below, you will find the settings for changing the input configuration. The native or default EDID for the IP-NINJAR TX unit is 4K60. However, IDK allows the user to change the EDID information to meet the requirements for a specific environment. HDCP Input Enable lets us enable or disable HDCP on the TX unit. When the box is checked, the TX unit will show itself as being HDCP compliant. When unchecked, the TX unit will show as a non-HDCP compliant device, but will not pass any HDCP content coming from a Blu-ray player or other 4K content devices. The Input Status section shows information about the incoming video, such as resolution and HDCP status and stream type. The IP-NINJAR supports both HDCP version 1.4 and version 2.2. The HDCP stream type is important to note, especially for customers who may have a newer UHD Blu-ray player or other 4K source devices. There are two stream types, Type 0 and Type 1. If a device is Type 0, the signal can be downconverted to HDCP version 1.4. If the stream is Type 1, all displays must also support HDCP version 2.2. It is not backwards compatible. Now, let's have a look at one of our RX units. Most of the setup information is similar to the TX unit. In the Device Info section, you can edit the user-definable device information to help maintain the assets in the system. The output status shows output resolution, HDCP support, and HDCP signal. Under Settings, IDK offers two switching modes, Fast and Scale and Standard mode. When set to Fast and Scale, we utilize the internal scaler in the RX unit to scale the video to a desired resolution up to 4K60 444. When in this mode, the Output Resolution tab is accessible, and by clicking here, allows you to set the resolution to whatever is desired in the system. In this mode, we are able to switch quickly between video sources, either seamlessly if the video inputs are the same resolution, or by inserting a single black frame when switching video inputs with different input resolutions. The black frame is inserted to hide any noise or artifacts that may occur during the switch. Because we are utilizing the internal scaler, it can add up to 2 frames latency between the source device and video shown on the display. For customers concerned about latency, the NJR R01 unit also offers standard mode switching. This mode bypasses the internal scaler, giving us the lowest possible latency, or less than 1 frame or about 90 microseconds. Switching speed in standard mode is dependent on the monitor's ability to resync to the output of the NJR R01. Also under Settings is HDCP Output mode. This can be changed to Always, HDCP Input Only, or HDCP 2.2. If Always is selected, this means the NJR R01 output is always encrypted. For HDCP Input Only, the output is only encrypted when the input is receiving HDCP content. HDCP 2.2 mode should be used if there are 4K displays that are HDCP 2.2 compliant. Please visit our website or contact us directly for more information on the IDK IP-NINJAR. You can also view our other videos which cover status, control, and maintenance. Please visit our website or contact us directly for more information on the IDK IP-NINJAR. You can also view our other videos which cover setup, control, and maintenance. Thank you.